Welcome to our piano lessons. Our goal is to provide informative, fun, and accessible piano instruction. While in-person study with a piano teacher is always best, not everyone can get to or afford that. These videos are made with those people in mind. Our favorite method book is the Faber Piano Adventure Series. On this platform, we are providing material from the lesson books. Keep an eye out for our Patreon page in the near future, where we will provide additional lessons from the performance books and also other great sources. If you like what we are doing, please like, subscribe, and follow, and enjoy. Today, we'll be learning Old MacDonald Had a Song. This is my friend, Old MacDonald. He loves being a farmer, but after a busy day of being a farmer, Big Mac loves to sit down at the piano and play a song. Today's song is about that very thing. Old MacDonald had a song. You can find it in your Faber Primer lesson book. This song is 2 pages long. Do you remember? We number our fingers and the thumb is always finger number 1. We count from the thumb to the little finger, and the little finger is always finger number 5. To play this song, we will put the second and third fingers of the left hand on the 2 black keys in the middle of the piano. We put the second, third, and fourth fingers of our right hand on the next group of 3 black keys. Here is what the hand looks like on the piano. There are some fun and exciting things to pay attention to when we play this song. For example, we have half notes and we have whole notes. Half notes get 2 counts and whole notes get 4 counts. Let's listen to the song and watch in your lesson book while I count the half notes and the whole notes. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that the music moves from one hand to the other. We'll learn more about counting as we continue our piano playing journey. Counting and rhythm are fun and also very important. There's still more to see in this song. At the end of the first page is a thick black line and a thin black line. The 2 of them together are known as a double bar. Next to the double bar are 2 little dots facing the music you've just played. The double bar and those 2 black dots together are called a repeat sign, and it tells you to go back and play the same section again before moving on to the next section of the music. Find this symbol at the beginning of the song. It means loud. On the second page, you'll see this symbol. It means to play softly. So we do that, but pretty soon there's another symbol telling us to play loudly again. Follow in your book and watch for the repeat sign back to the beginning. Listen for loud and soft playing. After you see and hear those things, practice the song for yourself.